Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening unboxing the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Thanks to the guys at Vodafone for sending this out. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. Now this was released and I think it was like November last year, and I've finally got my hands on it. So quite glad that I've actually got my hands on this now. We'll take off the screen protector here on the front. This does come with that AMOLED touchscreen. It does have, what was it, 1080 by 2160 pixels. Really nice phone. Comes with dual cameras on the back. I have set it up already, so we're just going to turn it on. And then we will just have a quick look into the phone. So while that's just setting up, we'll just have a look in the box and see what else we actually get with it. So here we have the charging cable. Got the charging cable here. It has come with the American brick, but I do have like other chargers that I can actually plug this into. So I don't have an adapter for this. I know this is like supercharge, so I would like to use this, but I would need an adapter, and I don't think I have one. But this is the supercharge for Huawei. There is the headphones there, because obviously the headphones now pretty much with all devices plug into the bottom of the USB there. So that's pretty cool that they do that. They do come with an adapter as well. I'm not sure if this one does, but you can actually, I think brand new out of the box, it comes with an adapter, and you do get a clear see-through case as well. So if I just move these off to the side here, we have the phone. Obviously it is like a gold brown color, which there are a variety of colors you can get also. Now the phone has turned on. I've got my fingerprint already set up at the back, and obviously we've got a code to put in as well to open the device. Now it does come straight out of the box with 8.0 Oreo, so you haven't got to worry about anything like that. There might be a little update to do. You can have your settings and everything set up as you so wish, but the cameras on the back are well, what I've seen, they look really good. There is no memory card slot in this. I seem to have got a message. There is no memory card slot in this. You have a 128 gig, 6 GB of RAM, or 64 gig, 4 GB of RAM. So you've got two variants. This one here, I will just go into the settings. This is the 128 gig. We've got 128 gigabyte, and free we've got 116. That's just from an update that I did with the device itself. So, you know, the phone is a nice looking phone. It is big. It reminds me of like the iPhone Plus. You know, you got the 6 Plus, 7 Plus, all of those. It reminds me a little bit like that in the size, because it is a 6-inch display. But if we go down to system here, I'll just show you about phone, and you can see some of the information there. It's got MUI as well, 8.0 Android version, which obviously if you do the double tap, you get the Easter egg, which is obviously Oreo. So if we come back out of that, we've got some more information here. You've got the CPU, you've got the RAM, which is 6 GB, phone storage there, you've got screen, which is 2160 by 1080. And then you just got some, obviously you've got your kernel version and everything there as well. But it's a nice looking phone. I don't know what you guys think of this. I'd like to know in the comments below of what you think of this, if you have actually used this phone at all, or if you've got this phone, or if you're thinking about getting a new phone. Would this be on your list of phones to get? Obviously on the back here we do have the cameras, which is a dual 12 megapixel camera. It has 2x lossless zoom. It's got face detection. It also actually detects certain things like leaves, cars, faces, people. It actually comes up with a little icon on the camera screen, so you can actually, it shows you what it recognizes, which is really good. It's very impressive of how the technology is moving along so quickly. So there we go guys, that was just an unboxing of the video. I will obviously do photos and everything, and I'll put those up in separate videos, and video play, and even what games play like on this device also. But also make sure you leave in the comments below what you think of this device and what you would like to see. If you'd like to see something more about this phone, let me know. Obviously you do have your SIM card tray there. I'll just put that in there. You've got your volume rockers there, you've got your power button. Many things you can do with an Android phone. Android phones are very versatile, and you can add very much anything to them. So that is really cool in general of Android, but I'm very happy with this device. I'm going to try it out. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this device. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. More videos on this to come. Make sure you thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.